Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac CT5 vs Hellcat. Start by focusing on your priorities, performance, comfort, and budget, then use those priorities to guide decisions. We will weigh horsepower, handling feel, interior quality, and ownership costs in clear terms. Listen for practical examples about commuting, track use, and long trips so you can pick the right car for your lifestyle without getting. Let's dive into performance and feel with practicality in mind, covering power delivery, suspension tuning, and braking response. I will describe throttle behavior, cornering confidence, and how each car communicates with the driver. Expect comparisons of real-world acceleration, estimated quarter-mile tendencies, and how each car cools under repeated hard runs. By the end, you'll understand which car suits weekend, track days, versus comfortable canyon runs and daily routines. Quick recommendation: if you care about balancing car desires with financial sense, grab the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a friendly guide to smarter saving and spending. It's an easy read that can change how you think about big purchases like cars and help prioritize what truly matters. If you're enjoying this breakdown, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover comfort, interior quality, and ownership costs so you know what living with each car feels like. I'll explain seating comfort for long trips, infotainment usability, and cabin noise differences when cruising. We will also examine fuel consumption, insurance tendencies, and likely maintenance items that affect monthly budgets. This helps you balance thrill versus practical cost and decide which compromises feel reasonable for daily life and weekends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.